we'll guide you through how to make an Instagram story highlight cover. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, come to your Instagram profile page. If you're yet to go and create the highlight, go and create it. Go below Edit Profile and Share Profile and click on the New button. Select what you want in the highlights and click on Next in the top right. You can then go and give it a title. You'll see the option for edit cover, but we can actually edit it later on as well, and then click on add in the top right. So we've now gone and made it. Now what we're gonna need is an app. So let's go and open up the App Store or Play Store, just like so. And the app I just go and use is one of these here. I just went and searched for Instagram highlight cover. There'll be quite a few apps to choose from, but I went and used this one here. So then what we can do is go and open it up. I've selected highlights at the top, and as you can see, there are some premium options, but there are some free ones as well. In this case, I'll use beautiful lines, and here we are. Now what you can do is go and choose a design you like. I might go and use this one here and click on next in the bottom right. You can then choose if you want the outer circle and the inner circle, which I do. I'll click on next, and you can then go and customize the color. Press next, and then the filling color as well. Click next again in the bottom right, and then what you can do is go and save the cover icon. You'll need to allow permission to your photos, like so. What we can then do is click on create a new icon, and we can go and use this same theme. So for example, I may use this one here. We can then go and customize it again and choose all the colors. In this case though, I want to keep it the same. So what you can do is keep repeating that until you've made all the icons you want. Now we can then go and return to Instagram. And then to go and add a cover to an existing story, go and click on the highlight like so, go to the bottom right and click on more, click on edit highlight, and then at the top here we have the option for edit cover. Click there and go to the bottom and click on the photo icon, and your camera roll will open up, and you can then choose the icon you want to use. With it selected, click on done, press done again, and press done again in the top right, and it will then go and update it, and as you can see, there it is. So what we can then do is go through each of our highlights, and we can go and edit the cover and add the icons that we just created. You may find there are other apps out there as well which you can use to go and create highlight covers, so feel free to go and check them out as well. I'm just using the one that I like to use. If you found this useful, then leave a like.